Los Angeles. Local time is 8:31 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please unplug the devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once you arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have regarding your checked bags, connecting flights, or ground transportation. Today we're arriving at gate 83, gate number 83. If Los Angeles is your final destination and you're cleaning baggage, you will be at carousel number 2. All gate checked bags and luggage will also be cleaned at the carousel 2. However, all gate checked strollers, car seats, and walkers will be cleaned here at gate 83. The feedback is really important to us, and some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email and the United app. We'd love to know how you've enjoyed your flight with us today. Also on today's side, we do have a very special customer, and we would like to recognize this customer. As in this flight, they would have traveled with United for over 1 million miles. So if everyone can just give them a round of applause, congratulate them on this great achievement. It's greatly appreciated. Once again, thank you so much for flying United.